We need to hop over to Click2Mail Connect and ensure everything is set up correctly before we can continue past the custom object manager on Salesforce. I wish it could have been done in one step, but unfortunately, we need an object before we can set up the integration. Don't close the object window because we're coming right back here to finish the custom object. We're not going deep here. We've got separate videos for that if you need more detail. This is just a quick and dirty setup to get your integration working. So first, go to connect.click2mail.com and head to Connected Accounts on the left. You'll want to make sure both your Click2Mail account and your Salesforce account are connected. If they're not, just click Add Account and follow the prompts. It's pretty straightforward. Once you're connected, click on Integrations in the menu and hit the red Create button at the top left. You'll be on Step 1, Account Selection. Here's what you do. Give your integration a name. I'm going with Taco Tuesday 50 off. Nice and clean. Select your Click2Mail account. Choose Salesforce as your data source. Then pick the Salesforce account you just connected. Hit Next, and we're on to Step 2. Now it's time to select the object we just built in Salesforce, Taco Tuesday 50 off. Once you pick it, you'll see all the fields show up in the box on the right. If you don't see the object yet, make sure you saved it back in Salesforce. Next up, we connect it to the actual Click2Mail template. And yep, we're using Taco Tuesday 50 off again. You're probably noticing a theme here. Consistency is your friend. Time to map. Just match your Salesforce fields to the template. First name, last name, address 1, address 2, city, state, zip code, promo code, custom message. It's all drop-downs, nothing fancy. Last step, you'll be shown a preview of your mail piece. If everything looks good, enter your initials and check the box to approve. This proof step is important. It's how you make sure what you're sending actually looks the way you want it to. Done. Let's go add the Click2Mail field in Salesforce. Once you hit Finish, the integration is saved, the webhook is created, and, this is key, a hidden Click2Mail field gets added to your object in Salesforce. Now we're going to go back into Object Manager, open up our Taco Tuesday 50 off object, and drag that new Click2Mail field into the page layout. I like to drop it right above the custom message field, so it's easy to find and trigger when we build our flow. And that's it. The wiring is done. Next up, automation time. Let's build the outbound message and flow.